Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner today. I have this big box of goodies that I wanted to share with you in December. And then the month got away from me, and then the next thing it was January, and then I'm ordering this box as well. And so I figured we might as well wait and do a both. So this box I ordered from MK's shops, some assemblage required on Etsy. And I got a lot of fun goodies. I don't even remember what I ordered, so thank goodness I pulled out the packing slip so I can tell you as I pull it out. Started her own website. So she got off Etsy and she started her own website, and I was so excited that I saw she started like a monthly, not necessarily a subscription, but it's like a monthly kit that she's gonna put together. So I had to. I love what she does. I love what she creates. I love her mind. She's a great person, and she's so smart. So I grabbed that too. So I figured we might as well do an unboxing together. So this is from her Some Assemblage Required new website shop. And I love this sticker. It says, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. Okay, that sticker causes extreme happiness, MK. I love it. But first, let's look what I got. Did I order this Black Friday? Might have just been a December deal. I don't remember. Let's see. What did I get, though? I got 6 things. Okay. Oh, that's right. Speaking of organizations. Oh, no, order date, November 25th. Maybe it was Small Business Saturday. Was that Small Business Saturday? Possibly. So I ordered a Misfit box, which is why I got this giant box, the gamer bundle, the blender brush holder, stars and hearts and stars, acorns and leaves, and raking leaves, because I love documenting fall and all fall collections. So, okay, so we've got, and this must be the Misfit. So she has these like mystery boxes of Misfit items. Got another pizza box to ruin with mixed media. So this is the blender brush holder. Ooh. I'm pretty sure she has all this stuff in her shop as well. But, you know, let's see. This says scan me. Is it a YouTube video on how to put it together? Oh my gosh, it is. She's brilliant. Look at that. So I have a YouTube video on how to put this together. But yep, doing that later. So I've got the blender brush holder that I will put together. Got my video. This is the acorns and leaves bundle, which I loved. Her wood veneer is awesome. I love her packaging. These leaves are so cute. And there's 2 acorns, so I grabbed that, if you guys can see those. Oh gosh. This is just hearts and stars. So random, just little hearts and stars. I think, are they wood veneer or are they chipboard? These look like chipboard. But it's a really thick chipboard, which is awesome. And, here, let's open these. There it is. And I think, yes, as I say, I think these come apart too. So you've got the insides and the outsides. Yeah, this is just really, yeah, chipboard, really thick chipboard. Okay, so these are wood veneer, these are chipboard. This is the, this is the raking leaf. So it came with a cute little rake, and then 1 acrylic leaf, 2 kind of painted leaves, 2 regular, and then this cute rake. So I love that. I have some good photos to add those to. And then this gamer bundle. My son, actually my family, we are gamers. Like, I grew up loving Nintendo and computer games. My husband did. We have a Wii. We have computer games mostly now. What else? We have an N64. We have an original Nintendo that still works. So yeah. So this one is Eat, Sleep, Game, Repeat. Game in progress. And then this thing just says 50%. So these are 2 different ones. Just game controllers, which I love. And I love how these are like the darker. Game over. Gamer, one with a cord, one without. The headphones, and then the Beats. And he is wearing headphones actually currently playing his game. So, and then this is just all this fun, like kind of retro, like a boombox, a soundboard, a record player, which we just bought one. I got my husband a turntable. an old radio, a CD in a CD case, a couple microphones, and a tape. So these are just great. And then this one that's like the Beats, and then, you know, Gaming Life. And then this is cool. It's unplug, and it looks like cords and stuff. I love that. That's so cool. So I have all these goodies now that I have to somehow keep organized. And so I moved all my wood veneer into, I'm just going to toss things apparently, into one place, and it's already full. So my wood veneer and chipboard. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, because the one thing I decided to put it all in, it's already full, and so this stuff's not going to fit. So that was dumb. So I need a bigger container, but anywho. So I've got this. Okay, let's see what's in this Misfit box. And this is just a random bunch of stuff. Some of it is either slightly misprinted or slightly misdone. And you get a Misfit box of it. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my, look at all this. Guys, and this was cheap. This was 20 bucks. And look at all this awesome stuff. Oh my gosh. And then I got all these too. Shut the front door. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's a lot in here. Okay, first of all, this butterfly already painted, and that is cool. That would make a really cool card, or just on a layout. But anyway, this is Out of This World, and I don't even know. Oh, I see that the eye didn't get separated, but that's not a big deal. That's cool. See, and she figures like whoever wants these can just work with it. This is neat. It's like a gear. That'd be really cool as a clock thing. Hello World. That's cool. I don't know if it was supposed to say it again, but that's really neat. It's just dumb. And there's all sorts of stuff in here. Okay, I don't want to get rid of, I'm going to put that over there because I want to put that together. Oh, cute! And we got some fish. I have some Confessions of a Paperhead cut files of some fish that I could back. Ooh, that would work really well with that. What is this? Looks like popcorn. I think that might be it. It's a dinosaur. So like the outline just didn't get lined up. And then a dinosaur print, which is awesome. This cute little gnome holding a flower. Yeah, so I don't know what's Misfit about them, but apparently they're Misfit. This one says Yellowstone. Cool. Ooh, that's a pretty like wreath. What's this say? Our cabin. Oh, fun. I could totally put that, even though it's like a porthole, that would work really cool on just for vacation as well. It's like a do-rag, pirate, a hot glue gun. Here's another dino. Yep, and see, like, there's a line through it, so it's a Misfit, but that's okay. This is pretty. Gingerbread Man. That one says Alyssa. These must have been custom ones, maybe. I don't know. A bottle. Oh, this is just a white circle. Okay. An oven mitt. That's cool. Just another circle of some playing cards. These are just circles. That's awesome. A beach chair with, and the umbrella broke probably. That's cool though. That's a really neat arrow. Ooh, look at this leaf. I got an extra leaf. Ooh, some octopus tentacles. Those are cool. This must have been a miscut from the brush holder thing. But I could totally use that on a page. Pirate ship. That's neat. So I'm going to put this with all my pirate stuff. Ooh, this is cool. Look at this shell. That's neat. A fence with some stalks. Another leaf. Some toothpaste or paint? This is probably paint. Toothpaste is what I thought of right away. Camera. Ooh, these are corn stalks. Oh, that's cool. It's like a printed. Yeah. But it got miscut, but it still looks really cool. Okay, that's gonna go with that. And so is this. A blunderbuss. An old gun. I like the dinosaur prints. That's beachy. Another dinosaur skull. That's cool. Where did I put my dinosaur? Right there. Another pirate hat. Is that a cookie? Ooh, cool. These are little Polaroid or film strip squares. What's this say? Grand Canyon. Neat. These are cool. So Yellowstone and Grand Canyon. This one says, let your heart be your compass, I think. Yep. Well, I wonder if, so the H, so I could, ooh, this would be really cool. I could totally do this. Let your heart be your compass and just do heart and something else. But yeah, she can't sell this stuff because it's broken or it doesn't work. Yeah, lots of pirate things. Very cool. Very cool. These are just some circular bits with some florals on them, which are awesome. This is awesome. This is all awesome. I love this. This is crazy. Okay, so that's just, yeah. I love this seashell. This arrow. Okay, lots of goodies to go through. And then some cut files. So I wonder, one is just a misfit box too, so it could just be some things that are just extra, or she's got lots laying around too. You never know. But you guys see all the goodies on here? Okay, this hot air balloon is adorable. It's a shaker. She must have made it. It's so cute. I love it. I don't know where I'm gonna put all this stuff. Okay, so what do we got? We've got a cat sitting on a moon. I love that. Oh, is this a camera one? Oh, it is. Love it. Okay. Oh, I've seen she's got some gear ones. Just must not have cut right. But very cool. Really neat to like tuck in things. So it's okay if it's not perfect. Just some leftover stars, some circles. This is really cool. Oh. Getting some ideas in my brain. Ooh, I like this one. I think I almost bought this cut file. That one's super fun. Would be really fun to with a bunch of flare and all these other circular things. Oh, yep, just miscut. But you can tuck it and you never know. And then this really cool piece I've seen her use. Yeah, it just didn't cut. It just didn't cut all the way. But it would be really cool to like layer a photo on or something, and you would never know. You would never know. Or use it as a stencil, like and spray with this on the page, and it would just create a really cool design. Yeah. Okay, so that was a lot of stuff that I just showed you. So I'm going to put it all back in this box, and we will look at what I got in January from her new shop. I got a few things other than just the January box. I got this sand, so she paired up with some people too with her new store, which is super awesome. She paired up with Scrappy Reflections, which is Sandy Reversky, Steak Goddess here on YouTube, and she has 6x6 stencils from Sandy. Super awesome. So I grabbed Bursting with Stars, and she said, I think she only said she was going to do one a month or something like that. And then she has this one. Oh, they looked glittery on YouTube. Or on Facebook. That's funny. So this is the Yum scale. So it says Yum scale, and then you like have a star rating, and then just star rating. So you can star rate other things, which I thought was super, super fun. So that is awesome. So those were in my January box, and then the January's monthly embellishment box. So we're gonna look at that. I kind of just saw like a handful of things in the photos of it that I loved, and I was like, yep, it's MK. I just trust her. I'm just going to grab it. So that is what is tied up in here. Now I got some gray twine to play with too. And I want to play with all this stuff. Oh. Okay, so she grabbed some of these 49th and Market pewter film strips. Half pack and stone tickets, 2 of each. That's a small sampling from the 49th and Market essentials tickets and film strips. That's what it is. So she gave you can basically buy a few small samplings. So that's awesome. So there's some tickets and then some film strips. I'm not going to take them all out. And then these some assemblage required stars. There's little clusters, some insides, some outsides. Oh, funny. So this is like another star rating. That's awesome. So you can say 2-star or have the stars, and then there's other. That's really cool. This is, from Scrapping Reflections, and these things are only in this box from what I recall. So this is a stencil. Oh, and it's really neat. It's stars and like a couple boxes. So you could use this to ink and have clusters. Oh, this is cute. I like that. Okay. That's super cute. Some Scrap and Happy Studio epoxy flare, 3 stars, 2 yellow and then 1 black outlined. So she paired with her as well. She also is now selling Dusty Attic stuff, which is awesome. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I love Dusty Attic. I love their sketches. I love their shop. I haven't ordered a bunch from them lately just because they are in Australia. So shipping is crazy. So I'm excited that MK will have some of their stuff. I can't get it out. But it's these awesome, I'm going to call them frames, because that's essentially what they are. And they have this scroll. I'm trying to decide if I would put it down or up. I don't know. But very fun. Very fun to play with. Good job, MK. This is all very awesome stuff. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna store it, because I'm in the process of trying to reorganize that, and yet at the same time, like, I haven't purged or like emptied out my craft room, so it's kind of hard to do. But I'm gonna keep all this stuff together. I'm gonna try to use it up. That's my goal this month. Is that's what I want to do, is get the stuff and then use it. Oh, fun. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so that is what's new in my world. A lot of fun stuff. Go check out MK's store. I'll have it linked down below. She does amazing things. She's so talented. But thank you, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye. And here is my finished holder from MK. What I did is I put it all together, and then I painted it matte black, and then I sprayed it with some mica mist. And I love the glitteriness that has come from this. I love it, you guys. There we go.